welcome to Join the Brain Fitness. Today we're making a high protein pizza. But before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. Let's get into the reason why I'm making high protein pizza. I've been on a high protein diet the last few months. I've lost over 17 pounds, while at the same time gaining muscle and losing fat. Also, I lost visceral fat and gaining body mass.
We try with this oregano, garlic powder, salt, olive oil, instant yeast.
And with all these ingredients, you're just going to combine everything into a bowl, except for the warm water.
Now we're just going to stir this around, form it into a bowl. Mix all the ingredients here. That's when you start adding in water. Keep stirring.
If the mixture is too wet, you can add in a little flour to firm it up.
Put a little flour down.
Now we're going to knead the dough for approximately 2 to 5 minutes. Doesn't take long because we have instant yeast. Now we're going to form it into a ball, place it into a bowl, and cover with a wet paper towel, and let it sit there for 30 minutes so it can rise. At this point, you can preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Let's put some olive oil down so that it makes it easier to roll out the dough. I'm going to roll it out evenly and form it into a decent circle.
For the sauce,
now let's add some cheese. And once you add the cheese at this point, everything in MyFitnessPal says that this is about 700 calories and 100 grams of protein before you add any extra toppings.
I like sprinkling some Italian seasoning on top.
I'm going to bake at 425 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it. High protein pizza made at home with good ingredients. It's large enough to cut into 8 slices.
You don't have to cut out the foods you love when you're on the diet. This is about 100 grams of protein for the entire pizza, so I'm gonna share this with my wife. So it's 50 grams a piece, and let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's good. I love pizza. It tastes amazing. Good crust, good taste, with good ingredients. What can you ask for? Let me know in the comments below if you would try a recipe like this. Until next time, stay fit, my friends. Yeah. Good stuff.